The fourth port on our Norwegian Prima cruise from Southampton, England to Iceland was from the breathtaking city of Geiranger, Norway. We began the day walking off the ship to a city surrounded by mountains, where every picture or video you took was memorable. It's by far one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my life. It's nature at its best and beyond. We went on an all-day hike of seeing beautiful waterfalls, lush green scenic views, and mountains that appear more beautiful from every angle. It's a place I couldn't get enough of.
What amazing view here.
This is a picture of the view where I had lunch. I did stop at a grocery store to get my favorite chocolate from Norway before heading back to the ship on our way to our next Norwegian port. I got my Norway candy bar. It's really good. I had this before in Norway. It's so delicious. I had to get it. It has hazelnut in it and it's simply delicious. The views when we left Geiranger, Norway, were out of this world, with multiple waterfalls together capturing the beauty of this amazing place on Earth. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on Geiranger, Norway, and will plan on vacation to see this amazing city that's simply unforgettable. Please do subscribe to my channel. Happy cruising!